Dear students, today I have to discuss about nature of matter. You have studied in class 9th about matter. Anything that occupies a space and has mass is called matter. Properties also you have studied. Matter is made of small particles. There is some space between particles of matter. Different particles of matter move continuously. These are the characteristics of matter. Different states of matter you have studied: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, BEC, everything. Solid, definite shape and volume. Intermolecular space negligible. Intermolecular force is strong, cannot be compressed, cannot be diffused. Perform the process of sublimation, cannot flow. Same way liquid, definite shape but indefinite shape. Liquid, indefinite shape but definite volume. Can flow, can be compressed partially, can be diffused partially. Density, lesser than solid. Intermolecular space more than solid. Intermolecular force less than solid. So I think properties: solid, liquid, gas, indefinite shape and volume, can be compressed highly, can be diffused highly, low density, intermolecular force lesser than solids and liquids, a space more than solids and liquids. So I think properties you have studied. Plasma, super excited and super energetic form of matter, liquid part of blood. Plasma. Molten states of solid materials, you can say ionized form of compounds. Plasma. Core of sun. Plasma. BC, gaseous state with low density and with low temperature is considered as BEC. You have studied in earlier class. Here you have to study classification of matter. To pure and impure. In pure you have to study about elements and compound, and in impure, mixture. It can be divided into two: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Then now listen first. Pure form of matter, element. Element is a pure substance that cannot be divided into two or more simpler substances. Example, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Properties, element is made of same kind of atoms. Nature, it is homogeneous in nature. Melting and boiling point are fixed. These are the properties of element. Compound, compound is a pure substance in which two or more atoms are mixed by fixed volume. It cannot be separated by simple process. Melting, boiling point are fixed. Nature, homogeneous. These are the properties of compound. Water H2O, glucose C6H12O6, sugar C12H22O11, sodium chloride NaCl, ammonia NH3. So you can give more examples. The element, compound, you have mixture. Mixture is an impure substance in which two or more substances are mixed in any ratio and can be separated by simple process known as mixture. Mixture of sand, salt, mixture of sand, coal dust. You can say many examples: honey, milk, soil, blood, urine. These are examples of mixtures. Mixture can be divided into two parts, two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, it means uniform mixture. Different constituents are mixed in same ratio. This is called homogeneous mixture. Air. If you prepare sarbat, solution of sugar with water, same taste, it means homogeneous. Heterogeneous, non-uniform mixture. If you mix sand with soil, it cannot be mixed everywhere same proportion, same ratio, same constituents, everywhere uniform. So it is non-uniform. It means heterogeneous mixture. The inner nature of matter, you have to study about these things. I told you have studied in earlier class. So here you have to also revise about these things, but topic given, so be sensitive about this topic. Nature of matter, definition, properties. After that I told you states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, BC, etc. After that classification of matter, pure, impure, impure, element, compound, definition, properties, etc. Same way, element, definition, properties, examples. Last, mixture, its definition, properties, examples. Properties of mixture, listen again. two or more substances are mixed in any ratio. First, it may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Two, MPBP are not fixed. Three, fourth, it can be separated by simple or physical process. Fifth, you can say property of mixture is similar to their constituents. So I think this topic is very easy because you have studied in earlier class, but you have to study in 11th also. So I discussed about it. All students see this video and try to understand 11th class. You know, this topic belongs to first chapter, you know. Okay, so listen and see this video and try to understand concept of nature of matter. Thank you.